Yo, Rick,
Go on, bro.
you want to see the eye there at the airport, you know? Yeah, why you want to see the eye get deep? So me want you pick me up at the airport about 100 away I come down on a plane. Mm. Plane supposed to reach about 9 o'clock. So me want you forward out at the airport if you pick me up, you know? Yeah, alright. A joke thing the eye there, pan. Oh man, why you say no sound too right to me, Patrick? Patrick, all this time I check say, brother, I check say you sort out your things them up in a foreign there, you know. Hmm. Yeah man, I check say you sort out your things up in a Connecticut them and everything. Alright with your up there man. Hmm. So your family them a go manage and thing. Hmm? Your wife and kids them a go manage if them send you back. That not sound good to me man. A joke thing of the pan. Right here now, me don't even know how you go managing a star. Cause no place not even out you have to hold you, you know me. I make sure I tell you that, you know. So nobody believe say because you did a send all your money come here, you know. Hmm? Any place there for you, you know. Yeah man. You look all house when mama have run they can't hold you. Yeah man. Why? You shouldn't get all a little NHT and take out all a little house and thing. But you know, throw a stone behind you and say you don't want to live at Jamaica. I know say foreign no belongs to no. Why rough? But me they are going still. Yeah, we forward out at the airport they still, you know? Yeah man. Cause you know all the taxi. Me good have to go all buy a tire. Cause you know say the tire them now go on good nowadays as you put them on them mash up. Eh? Seems like I must see all that make the government now want to fix the road because him want you to ever buy tire. Yeah. Because the road them not good. Every minute you in a tire problem. Eh? Tire them they have not build good again. Yeah man. One time did all have one company. Yeah man. I build some good tire now. Them tire where them have now go on with nothing. The tire them a move like newborn baby. Yeah man. 6 weeks and the tire them mash up. Hmm. And that young glad tell you says how like a round town road you have to depend because if you're in a country bad road them a 2 week you get out of it. Charge it 2 week. 2 week you get out of the tire them. Them out for mash up and kill our poor people, me I tell you, brother. Yeah. What kind of idiot thing that Rick talk about, man? Eh? Yo. I can tell you something. One thing with me, you know, when me up a foreign there, you know, me save my money, you know. You understand? So when him a tell me, you know, say, boy, brother, no space not there for me. Me have enough money where me can buy a house, you know. But, you know, me never plan to buy a house in a Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. Even though I am a born and grow, me never plan to buy a house, yeah, you know, cause right here now, as you as you them see you come back another well, you know what go happen to you, you know. Them a go and take you out, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. So more time me have to act like nothing now go on for me make them think me they are foreigners so far. Eh? And I shuffle to get something because the moment them see like something that happen for you, them a plan to take you out. Them no business how long them know you know, brother. And I and them a rub shoulder to shoulder and did all I eat a little dumpling and butter and them no business about that, you know. Them just a pre to take you out. You understand, Charging? Yeah, man. So I man, I just go and hold my own still, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, me have enough money over there where my wife can send some come give me fi buy a house out there. You know, me no need no more than a little one bedroom flat, you know? Yeah, man. If me even have to do some farming and thing, you know, and raise two pig and two goat and thing like that, you know. But yeah, I not go suffer, man. No, man. I not go suffer at all, at all. Yeah, man. And I me used to help all my family them. Right now, I can tell you something. The car where Rick have, and me did buy him. Yeah, man. The first car I buy him is a 1990 Corolla. Eh? And the man never have money yet. Every day the man broke. Yeah, man. I'ma go back and buy him a Pro Box. And if I tire the want, the man call me about it. The man no do nothing for the car. You understand? Yeah, man. At one point, the years are 3 woman the man have, you know. The man no do nothing for help mommy, you know. Me I tell you, man, me I tell you. And me have to do everything. Yeah, man. And hear what the man I say. No charge him, man. Me I tell you, say, them people are no easy star. Yeah, man. You know how much coal me have to suffer, eh? And send money come give him every minute him want tire. Cause you know the tire them not last long. Eh? Oh me I tell you man. Why Rick you know easy do you know? Why charge me I tell you say you know easy you know. But that's how it goes still you know. Better me there over there when I could not send a money for you, you know, Rick. Yeah, man. Cause right now the people them are glad to see we come back, but them no know say it a go worse than them. Cause nobody now go there to send a thing for them. You understand? Them have to go back to them dumpling and butter days. Yeah, man. Cause things expensive. And them now work, them now look no work. So them will get a thing. Eh? Well, I want to tell you, right I know me a hack poverty because I don't want nobody know say nothing not go on for I. Yeah, man. You know, make them go on all what them all. Yeah, man. Diamond think about diamond self. Yeah, man.